Hey! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from OPPO device to OPPO A57s. First of all, open Play Store on both and install free app called Send Anywhere. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, tap on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on this OPPO smartphone. Open, I accept, confirm, continue, allow. In this pop-up, you can choose Not Now if you wish to, and then close it by tapping on OK. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of your OPPO smartphone if it's not already on, and Receive on OPPO A57s. Then you can tap on all of those type of dots from all of those categories. And when you're ready, click Send over here. This way you will select all of those files and transfer them later on. It will take some time though to do it now, so I will go with only this one photo. Choose Send and tap on Got it. Now on OPPO A57s, scroll down and choose one of those options. Then click on Close this window and select one of those connection methods. You can scan this QR code by selecting this scanning icon next to input key, choosing while using the app or only this time, and pointing your device's camera at the code. But you can also input this key over here instead and tap on Receive button. Either way, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!